I saw in his life that he was not ready to take none unrighteousness in the land. Even though there were people that claimed to be worshiping God, he was not ready to settle with mere religion. Today Israel is here. Tomorrow they are for God. Next tomorrow they are for Baal. He came from nowhere and became and expressed his dissatisfaction. This must not continue. So as I talk about rainmakers, as heaven is making a list of those who will represent him and bring down his glory, will you rise as a man? Will you rise as a young lady? Will you rise as a woman and say it is enough? Kai, a word just dropped. In your family, you will be used to end that nonsense. Who has that word? I bring it again. In your family, that poverty, that godlessness, that unrighteousness, that premature death, that oppression and stagnation, you will be used to change the story. If you are the one that has that word, your amen will be louder than your neighbor's song. Now sit down. Who are these rainmakers? Those who say enough is enough. This cannot continue. Where are those women that will rise like rainmaker Deborah? Where are those women that will rise, that will say it is enough? For how long will Israel be passing through the bypass? For how long will this oppression continue? If there is no man to rise, I will be the first to rise. A word just dropped for somebody, and it's for a woman. What no man has ever become for God in your family, no man has never become for God. By this word tonight, you will rise to be the first. You will rise to be the first in your family, in that organization, in that denomination. Where are those women? I pray that may the Lord kindle that fire of dissatisfaction in you. It is enough. Israel cannot continue like this as it has been.